It's your boy Wandan from Wandan and Livy, and I'm currently in Jamaica. Today is really a special day. Hopefully you understand, say, everybody pre-life different. It's just a great feeling to know, say, me there at the primary school I used to attend when I was a child. And for all the American viewers, it's the elementary school I used to attend, but in Jamaica we call it primary school. It's a very special day because on one of my previous videos last summer, put in a clip. I have a project where I really had try work on, you see me? It's me pass primary school. Being selfish or being to myself and spending money on my family alone, it don't make me happy. I love when people need stuff, we can give them stuff, especially it's for a good cause, it's for the kids, you know? So I'll go into some more details on that, but I really have to do something. I already have a computer I'll donate to the principal. I decided to donate a brand new laptop to this school, value almost $2,000. I save my money and I buy it, and now I donate it because the school need a laptop. It's really special to me, guys, because just to stand on this ground, a year so, I meet some of my day one friends. I hear some me and Dushian behind the camera go school. Remember like yesterday when we used to just play and have some authentic fun, long before social media, long before YouTube, long before Instagram, TikTok. And for just they here right now and just feel the breeze, just hear the kids them in the background. Teacher we used to teach, although some of them retire now, but we have teacher here, Miss Greenland, big up yourself, who has been here for years upon years. And she still look the same. I don't know what her secret, but in a few, I got introduce her to Mrs. Greenland. But it's a good feeling if you know, say, now me turn man, me have kids of my own, and I can donate back to the school. You understand? Trust me, stuff like this make me happy. If anyone viewing this video and you support Wandan and Livy and you want to make a small donation or anything, sometimes I don't like ask, but sometimes you have to open your mouth when you want something. I want to do more than just a laptop for this school. I need a printer. I need some stuff we can just equip the teacher them or equip the kids them to just motivate them to be better. I feel like say me alone cannot change Jamaica or change the school I used to go. But it starts with one person, and that's gonna be me. If you're interested in donating anything, guys, I'm gonna set up a cash app. Just reach out to me, comment on another video here. As me say, guys, I do this from my heart. I love fun, I love love. Me love love. You see me, I don't love drama. And the other day, couple people reach out to me and say one thing with you. Couple of my friends them actually and say one thing with you and Livy. We never see you in no social media drama. I say we don't know how to do that. Because we love love. Livy family love love. Me love love. My family love love. Dushian behind the camera. Straight love from day one. You see me. But this is gonna be a moment where I just know it's gonna be good and my heart just feel good already, although them not see the laptop yet. It's really nice. Touch screen, 4K screen, well built, and not cheap plastic there. It's a aluminum laptop. You're gonna see it in a few. But I'm about to introduce you to Miss Greenland, ask her a few questions about the school and stuff like that, so stay tuned. So I'm here with one of our favorite teachers. Guys, as I told you before, she don't age. And you want to share the secret why you don't age?
Good living.
One. You tell me about 3 or 4.
Yes, good living. Don't have any bad mind. And just be good to persons.
Okay, and kind of try to keep your energy away.
Positive energy at all times.
Okay, so I'm here with one of our favorite teachers. How long you been here?
From 1999.
Yeah. Yes. I'm from Noir, as such a look. I'm being honest. But me not tell them it's Greenland. You know me when me not come here.
Yes.
Yes, I think me in a grade 6 or something like
Yes,
that.
you
I got
were.
left to go high
Yes.
school. And on behalf of me, I know see a lot of time teachers don't get the credit they deserve. And me, I'll be honest with you, I never used to give teachers the full credit until I have a kid. And realize, say, yo,
The
you not
challenges
deal
that
with
we
one,
have.
and you not deal with
Yes.
one. So on behalf of myself and some of my good friend them, I want to say thank you for being here. Because I know you can get a ton more job.
Yes, I could.
Yeah, because you're overqualified. We're not going to go there. But I want to say thank you. I was here last summer. I do a video in the gully. And
Yes, I saw that one.
yes, I was there. And maybe in a video, so I said I want to donate to the school.
Yes, I did.
But I'm going to be frank with you. I'm the type of person who don't really like to ask. I have a lot of subscribers, but I don't like to put it out there. Oh, me, I look at things for help my school. So what I decide to do, I decide to make the first step.
Yeah.
So I purchased a laptop for almost 2,000 US dollars.
Lovely.
And if you don't know me from me turn big man, I'm the type of person, if me I go give something, I'll give something that makes sense. I'm not getting a rundown laptop. I donate it to Uno because I think it's so technical for kids because it's touch screen 4K display.
Okay.
And me think so I don't need that to help Uno do better. I don't know how to do great so far, but just for equip Uno, you know.
Yes.
My other thing we want to donate is a printer, because I know I need a printer as
Yes,
well.
we
Ryan
need
was telling me.
Yes, we need a printer for the school
Yeah.
because we have to print a lot of items for the school and for the students. So any documentation that comes in, we have to do printing. When we're doing testing, we have to do printing. So that would be appreciated, totally appreciated.
Okay, before you came, I was saying I'm the type of person I love love.
Yes.
No, but no matter how the world has become so, me love love. And just for me, stand up right here, for know some used to drop off of the apple tree there before. You see me?
You did?
Yeah, and we're not dead yet, so there's a reason why we never dead. You
Yes.
see me? And the one round there, so
You
before
still
no
have
build up
purpose.
around there, so.
Yes.
And it's just a good feeling. And I know I see a lot of my peers overseas gonna see this video and link me and say, yo, one done, or yo, I want to help you, and I want to do it. You
And we
feel
would
me?
appreciate it. We also want to start up a mentorship program for the students that are here presently. And it would be good to have our past students dropping in and saying and showing the students where they are, what they're doing with their lives. So at least they can use it as a foothold, a background knowledge. So yes, persons come from my community and they're doing well. So I want to put it out here on your program that we want mentorship.
Yeah.
So persons, past students, I'm expecting you to come out. Let me know, reach out to us so that you can become mentors for the present students that are here.
Okay, sounds good. That's why you're still employed here. I mean, I'll talk to your boss so you get a raise. I don't know how much you get, but I feel like you deserve it because you're always so intelligent. I know what to say, and you know, we appreciate that. But sorry if we just pop up on you. I saw me do stuff.
Yes.
Me just pop up, and the most I say, just do it now. So me wake up out of my bed, thank God for life.
Yes.
Link up the Shane and say, yo, I go over to school. Because I know say, I go busy for the rest of the days that I'm going to be in the country. This is a school where start me. Big up Miss Hunter, where used to pinch me. I love you for that. You see me? Big up Miss Buck,
Yes.
where used to whip me. Thank you for that. You feel me? Big up Miss Hall, with principal.
Yes, he was here recently, came by.
Thank you for what Miss Hall used to do, the strap. Yes, thank you for that. When you see Miss Hall come with something, one matching stick or toothpick,
Yes.
and you see it turn up so, everybody starts shake. One at a time I wish me become more powerful than Miss Hall. If you know say a little man but so skinny, can walk around and everybody just start shake. Whole school. Really good man. So thank you for that. You keep we structured. And I can say, well, a few peers them, I don't know if nobody will do badness or they are prisoner do life or, you know, we're not perfect, but thank you for that. Okay, Miss Greenland, on behalf of me, myself, and my beautiful fiance, Livy, I want to say here is a brand new Dell laptop, 4K resolution, touchscreen, well built, aluminum, not plastic. You see me? Just want to say thank you. You know, thank you guys. I know what you go through, especially me. I'm a father now. Thank you. I know you guys gonna do good with this.
Yeah.
I appreciate you guys, and a printer is in the making. This is a charger, and this is the adapter if you want to put in a
SD card.
not SD card, but a flash drive or HDMI port. I think a SD card slot
What is there?
yes, there already. So thank you so much. I
Thank
appreciate you.
Thank you. I want to say thank you to you, yourself, and Livy for donating this Dell laptop to us. I want to say thank you from the principal, Mrs. Sims, and the members of staff. We really appreciate it, and we're going to be doing wonders with this. It will be good for us, and totally appreciate it.
All right, thank you so much. And thank you for your years upon years of service.
Yes.
I was at this school when you started working there.
Yes.
And you still look the same. You see me? She work on a remedy. If you tell no guys what she'll sell me for $1 US. It's 5 things to steal like this. $1. And you live forever. You see me?
When I do that, I'll let you know so you can buy it, right?
All right. So thank you again, all right? I
Totally
appreciate you.
appreciate it.
Okay.
All right.